Hi everybody. This is a sump pump check valve that I picked up on Amazon for about $27. Let's take a look at the outside of the box real quick and the product label with the Amazon part number. And let's open it up and see what it looks like. So pretty nice. They give you new stainless clamps. These are 40 to 64 millimeter clamps. And you get 4 of them. And there's also some rubber hose to make the connection from the check valve to your PVC pipe. So it's actually kind of simple. It's just a one-way valve with a spring-loaded door, spring-operated door. So when the pump turns on, water can come up and the water pressure will open the door and allow the water to flow through. And when the pressure goes away, the spring closes the door so the water doesn't fall back down into the sump pit. So really simple. So there you have it. Sump pump check valve from Amazon. Pretty cool. Well, if you have any questions or any comments, post them below. And thanks for watching. And if you like my videos, please subscribe.